So this is our first night camping in the Nature's Nest by Bamacar. And it was so-so. There's a lot of like cold humidity that was in the tent, kind of made it uncomfortable. But my wife, she was happy and warm, so that's what matters the most. Not much fine dining this morning. We're just, we emptied the refrigerator, so nothing would go bad. So we're just cooking whatever we got. So that's gonna be sweet potatoes and bacon this morning. Our goal is to cross over into Canada. This is not planned how we were gonna do this trip. We just bought this real recently because our no boundaries camper has to go to the shop and get worked on. The frame broke when the tire blew on our last trip to Canada. So we decided we'll buy one of these rooftop tents, and we don't have a lot of experience with them, but we liked the one that we rented in Hawaii, Kauai, when we stayed there a couple of nights. So we thought, oh, let's get ourselves one. And plus it would look really good on the Tacoma, which also wasn't planned for us to get either this year because our truck broke. So we're sort of out of our element here a little bit. Online, there's just not a lot of pictures or videos of it closed. I take a bunch of videos for you guys so you can see what it looks like on a truck closed. We did make a mistake and bought one that was way too long. That was quite a ridiculous thing as well. The other thing was there was a lot of condensation in there, and there's a place where you can open up to let air in. And I don't know if that really helped or not. Did you feel like that helped? Of course, my wife is brushing her teeth as I'm asking her.
I don't know, because all the condensation was already there by the time we opened the vent. So I don't know. We can try it again tonight and see what happens.
The biggest downside wasn't the tent, but is the mounting brackets to get the thing attached. They did not have bolts that were long enough, so then we had to go find them. But also, they're difficult to slide into the channel, and so that was a real battle just to get this thing attached. First try to open and close it. It was a little weird. But I think we're getting a handle of things here. There are these straps here, and then you got two locking straps. And then here's another one. Reminds me of the Smitty tents where you had the ladder, and then you have to like flip it up and then pull it down. So that was a little interesting, trying to get that all figured out, how to operate that and pull it out. And then there's just this rain fly on top that you have to put the little poles in to hold it up.